Alright guys, so today we are out here in lovely nature because we got that fresh air. If you're new here, let me explain. Mega Me Monday is where every Monday you guys on my Discord, link in the description, send in your best memes and I react to them every Monday. Why Monday, you may ask? Because Mondays suck. Nobody likes them, so what way to make them better than by reacting to some good old memes. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so I kind of just removed the green screen because I randomly started disappearing on the footage because of the green screen. I have no idea why. Sorry, but, yeah. Stinking loud! Wow, that cat missed, bro. Needs to work on his jumping. Let's see his form real quick. Yeah, so at this moment, you can already tell he didn't exactly jump high enough. Maybe if he started a little further back and put a little bit more oomph into those back legs, yeah, I'm telling you, man would have been right on the money. Bro, I love that freaking noise. Bro, what? Man went to 3 different fart gears in like 1 second. Man sounded like he had a pan just going pow. I'm actually gonna Shazam this. The song is My Head is Spinning Like a Screw. Link in the description.
Give him a little friend. Everybody needs a friend.
You know, it's like in life. You gotta have a little sadness once in a while so you know when the good times come. Just have a good feeling and be happy and in love with life and your world.
We don't make mistakes. We have happy accidents.
I think everybody needs a friend.
It's a fantastic day. It's a good day to be alive. Come to think of it, every day's a good day to be alive. Take life easy. Just let it go.
We've been doing this show now for well over 11 years. 11 years. And you've made me feel very special to invite me into your home and to let me be part of your family. Thank you very much.
That's amazing, man. That makes me feel good. Why are these videos so emotional, dude? Nickel! Yeah! I caught it. I called it. No, not today. You ain't catching me.
Hey, I was invisible. Cool.
I don't feel so good.
Wait a minute. Ow. I like the one with the NFL football theme.
Feels so good.
I am the milkman. My milk is delicious. Special delivery today.
Don't tell me this is a video game. The graphics, this kind of animation, the explosion. This looks like a game that would have been released in like 2000s. That's insane! Bro, I love this!
What's up, guys? Albert Fingernoodle here. I farted in my grandpa's breathing machine.
I think I'm done with the memes today. Thank you guys so much for the memes. If you haven't already, join the Discord, link in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Goodbye.